Hello, I'm James.
Hey, I'm Kayla.
Kayla and I are going to walk you through various aspects of our plan for bringing people back to the office.
That's right. While we may not know how long it will take for things to get back to normal, we are excited to be able to start taking steps to bring employees back to the office in a safe manner. We appreciate the hard work everyone has contributed during these uncertain times and for rising to the challenge of working remotely.
We are genuinely looking forward to welcoming everyone back to the office as our safety measures allow. Protecting your health and safety is our top priority, so we want to take a few minutes to explain our approach to preventing the spread of the COVID-19 virus. If we are each diligent in our efforts, we can protect ourselves, our peers, and our families. And just so you're aware, these precautionary measures and procedures we will discuss are based on applicable government orders and regulations and guidance from the Centers for Disease Control.
We have made several changes in the workplace in order to maintain a healthy work environment. While there will likely be some employees that will continue working from home, we will adopt an alternating work schedule for employees coming back to the office. That means you may be assigned to an even or odd day of the week in order to minimize the number of individuals in the office at any given time. We have also made changes to ensure that all workstations are at least 6 feet apart, and there will be cleaning supplies available so that you can sanitize your work area throughout the day. Common areas will be sanitized every 2 hours during the workday as well.